take a look at what's in store for Seoul with June.
Thank you. Korean markets are also pointing to a lower start this morning. Kospi is expecting a drop of about 0.75%, but the Kosdaq is looking at steep losses of more than 20 points at the open. So we are expecting a lower open for both indexes. But overall, we do have some good news in that the MERS situation is seen to be officially over in Korea. There have been no new cases for 23 days, and with the last quarantine patient being released overnight, this is seen as an official end to the situation. The retailers, travel and leisure names, and cosmetic names has shown a steep sell-off after the MERS outbreak started, but now they are back in the game. Second quarter earnings that have come out for names like LG Household and Healthcare are showing numbers much better than expected. Operating profit was up by more than a third for LG Household, and this was reflected in the stock price yesterday, where it closed up more than 14%. Following LG Household's numbers, Amore, which is a holdings company of Amorepersific, and Amorepersific also closed higher by almost 3% yesterday. They are still awaiting their second quarter earnings, but LG Household's numbers have given the markets more confidence in cosmetic names because markets had been concerned that cosmetic names would have been taken a really big hit, given that Chinese tourists into Korea steeply dropped off during the second quarter. Also, travel names like Hanatour, I'm watching these names because they're showing a continuing rally. Hanatour is up 34% in the past couple of weeks, ever since the MERS outbreak started slowing down. So we are continuing to see gains for travel and leisure names in the Korean markets, and also in terms of export names, the weak won is seen as a benefit for these names as well. So cosmetic names are also seeing two different positives working in their favor. So I'm watching these names at the open as well. And also refiners, SK Innovation is in the news with their credit rating being upgraded one level to Baa2 by Moody's. Let's check on the Korean markets before the open, and we'll bring you the opening numbers for Seoul, Tokyo, and Sydney when Squawk Box returns. Stay with us.